Are you a creator, a YouTuber, or maybe a musician who felt a copyright issue while uploading the content in video or audio streaming platform? Have you ever found a song that was absolutely ideal for your video project only to learn that it was copyrighted? If so, you have probably questioned how to obtain permissions to use the music without infringing on the rights of the artist. Yeah guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. In this video, you'll find all the necessary information regarding how to get permission to use a song in your video. Not every video creator is willing to go through the negotiation with the record label to get the permission to use just that one song. If this is your case, then you can opt for the royalty-free music. But if you really want to use a song owned by the record label, you must get ready to consult with the copyright holder. Now, how do you use someone's copyrighted art in any video without getting slammed? Is it legal to use a song in a video? So whether you need a permission to use a song not depends on what you want to use it for. There are a few questions you have to go to ask yourself. Where am I going to publish this work? Public, unprotected work, personal? What will happen if I use a song without permission? Have you posted a video with a song that has no permission from the copyright owner? We're here to tell you that you might end up with lots of trouble. If you're lucky enough, the copyright owner, upon spotting the unauthorized use of their song, might simply ask, remove their work from their video. If your video is uploaded on YouTube, you can get a copyright strike. Why to copyright work in music industry? Before learning how to ask for a license, you should define what type of license you really need. The first thing to know is that every song has two main parts: the music composition and the song recording. Though the musical compositions appear as a work of art and includes music accompanying words, and exist in the form of the notations or phonorecords such as cassettes, tape or CD. Instead of sounds recording on music, every recording has its own of identification. You can use ISRC to support data. So remember, you might need two different licenses for the two separate parts of the song. The owner of the composition copyright, composers, lyricists, songwriters, the owner of the recording copyright, performers, producers, sound engineers, and beyond. What music license do I really need? For those of you who have figured out how and where you want to use the song, there's a list with the 6 types of the music license that you need to know. You'll be able to choose the one that really fits your need. They include synchronization, mechanical, master, public performance, theaters, French styles. How do I ask for a copyright permission in my video? Once you have successfully identified the copyright owner, it's the time for the negotiation. You could write the owner to email. In your letter, make sure to always say that who you are, what your song is all about, why you wish to use it, and how you'll be using it. More specifically, be prepared to communicate what rights you really need. Clarity is a really important part of communication and negotiation. Since there are several types of license, you should be alert and watchful to ensure that you acquire the right kind of permission. What's the finances involved? Though the money part varies completely according to the popularity of the song, the cost to license a song will vary greatly from the country to country and from artist to artist. If we are talking about the licensing a song from an artist who is relatively unknown, the cost will range from a few dollars to the thousands of dollars. But if you really want to license a song by a famous musician, then the price can be as high as $10,000s of dollars. Some of these top artists might ask for a certain percentage of the revenue really got through that license instead of the fixed fee. What music is not copyrighted and can be reused? Use royalty-free music, which will give you permission to use songs and background music without paying license fees for each use. Head to the public domain. There are stunning pieces of royalty-free music with the expired copyright that you can freely use in your projects. Most classical music, for example, belongs to these categories. Use music that is available under the Creative Commons license. However, they might ask you to provide the credit. With that said, it's really important to know very well about the license. So before uploading any song onto the YouTube, you just need to ask a few questions that we had discussed above and really read about licensing more. And that's it for now. If there's anything else that we can help you with, do let us know, and don't forget to share the YouTube link of your music channel. Would love to see your creativity and art. I'll see you soon in the next video. Meanwhile, click on the subscribe button so you will be the first one to get the new videos uploaded. Till then, bye and happy creation.